Start of my day. Start of my day. Here at the Honey Guys, can you see something affecting video? Because of hello. Is this your car? What do you call this one? Really? Yeah. So it's Australian. 1974. Could be fortune, right? How much do you think? So classic. So it's restored already. So are you the person? Okay. So you restored yourself when you get to somebody. So it's not really the original anymore. Original the engine, but
that's how it looks when it came off here. Just the wheels are different.
This one, the rim.
That's how they were sold. That's what they look like when they were sold.
So means they changed already the rim or something.
Yeah,
right?
I've changed because the wheels.
You changed?
Normally the wheels are skinny wheels, but the body and everything. That's how they look when they sold them. Yeah.
And engine probably
Engine
the same.
5.8 litre.
Sorry.
A 5.8 litre.
5.8.
Engine,
Yeah. I think my son will see this one. He's a car mechanic.
Oh, he'll love it.
Yeah. I just said I saw a different car.
He'll know what it is. He'll like
Yeah, 1974 Ford Falcon. Alright, enjoy your day. See, that 1974, guys. I just see when I'm entering here at Hungry Jack. That's the new Carolina double woofer. Yep. Is this recording? Yep. Hi guys. This is my OTD for today. Show you some flowers here. See that? It's a rosal and smells good. White rosal. Okay guys, now another order come. I have to pick up this from Yogurt Berry Tuggerah. So I have to pick up the yogurt and deliver. That's my app look like to my phone, how I'm getting orders. Hi. We are here now to pick up the yogurt, and I just passed here. Guys. Now, it's near to the food court. According to, oh, there it is. According to, oh, that's beautiful. According to the statement of the location, they have here. There's a sole origin there, and there's a curry, Indian curry here, the green mango, and they have the muffin breaker. They have a donut king here at Westfield, shu chai, sushi, Asian food, and the yogurt berry is here where I'm going to get the order, guys. How cute their shop. And that's the cinema over there. They have KFC over there and a Vietnamese roll shop. So this is the food court in Westfield. So I'm going to get the order. I have the number order 1403. 1403. Okay, I'll see you again later, guys. They're going to make it now, guys, because it's a yogurt, so they will make it, I think, when somebody already going to pick it up. Oh, you have to weigh a $3 100 gram weight to pay. And so they have a different kind of, could be toppings here. They have lychee, boba, passion fruit, wow, rainbow jelly, cheesecake, cookie dough, chocolate brownie, lychee, strawberry boba, mango boba, strawberry. Oh, they have fruits, melon, and yogurt berry, gummy base. They have caramel buns. Oh, is that how you will top to your yogurt? Right? Okay, sorry for that. There's sour worm and Maltesers and sour watermelon, strawberry. Oh, rainbow, they have plenty. Have marshmallow, M&M, chocolate, coconut shredded, crushed peanuts, polar mochi, almond, yogurt. Oh, I like their color here, light blue and light pink, marshmallow color. Wow, look like yummy. Even the colors. They have flavor here as well. Oh, they have a flavor here too. Plain yogurt. They have mango. That's the machine. Cereal honeygram wafer. Fill up flavor when finished. So they have watermelon flavor, passion fruit. Like really yummy. They have strawberry flavor, forest berry. That's the machine house. They have banana, blue angel banana. And they have chocolate. That's the machine. And they have Oreo, really. They have Nutella. That's the machine. That's their container, guys. Select select size of the cup. Flavor, select your favorite flavor. Topping, select toppings you want. Then cashier. Alright. Come in your school uniform to receive 10% off. I like the color, guys. See, it's light pink and light blue. That's the counter there. Okay, guys, that's from the Yogurt Land at Westfield Shopping Center, Central Coast, Tuggerah, Sydney. The classic car that I saw is in Tuggerah, Hungry Jack, New South Wales, Sydney. So, guys, this is all the video for today, and I hope to see you again to the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more video to upload and to notify you whatever new video I'm going to share.